As you know, I've been involved with the Great Registry for a number of years in a leadership role as a national PI for the United States. And I've always found it to be worthwhile from understanding what we do from a patient care perspective and outcomes. And I've been personally really proud of the fact that we've had a very large number of peer-reviewed publications come out of the registry now over a period of time. And I think probably has exceeded many of our expectations, and it continues to be worthwhile in terms of us understanding what we do from a total aortic care perspective. And I say that because, you know, sometimes when you look at peer-reviewed publications, someone's like, oh, you're just trying to get another paper out there. But the reality is, I think they've all been relatively impactful and really provided information that we didn't have previously.
But what, if anything, makes the Great Registry unique and so fruitful in terms of the information that's available and the questions that physicians can ask that then leads to another publication from that database?
So I think there's several aspects of it that have been worthwhile. One is there's a really, really positive collaboration between Gore and the physicians. We've had unbelievable support from you guys for data, for statistical review, for assisting us when we come up with concepts that we want to investigate to say, yes, we will have that information, or someone's already evaluating that. And I've been on publications with people from South America, Australia, Europe, and it's really given us an opportunity to all collaborate internationally in a way that I don't think registries always do. And I think it's that concept of the support we get from Gore, plus that international buy-in from all of the investigators that really has allowed it to be so successful.
What made you interested in being the national PI for the Great Registry and working with Gore at that time?
At times, registries get criticized because there's concerns that some of the data that gets put into a registry isn't going to be valuable or credible, and you can't make good decisions on patient care or understand outcomes because of the data that's been put into a registry. And all of us know that although clinical trials are well run and we need them to get device approvals, you always hear us always say, those are the patients we don't really take care of. We're fortunate that we get those people to come in for a clinical trial, but it's not what we're taking care of every day. To then say, look, this is what everybody does real world across the world, and here's what the outcomes look like. That's really beneficial data.